Floods can impact anyone, anytime, anywhere. Human losses and economic damages from floods are rising, but we still cannot predict how floods impact cities. Why is that? Urban infrastructure is connected, but urban information is not. Urban Flooding Open Knowledge Network, or UFOKN, connects urban information and links it to the flood forecasts to deliver actionable flood information to anyone, anytime, anywhere. And to answer questions like, which neighborhood to evacuate first? Will my street flood and when? Will my store flood? Will the stormwater system fail? Which power stations will we shut down in anticipation of flooding? How do we design more resilient cities? UFOKN will help answer these questions by delivering flood information to anyone, anytime, and anywhere.